Hello again, friends. It's Carol. Today, still working on our fruit and vegetable study, I thought we'd do another vegetable. And this one's green. And they're really, really tiny. And sometimes when we try to pick them up off our plate, they roll all over. They look like little tiny balls. Can you guess what it is? What they are? Peas? You're right. And some peas come in what's called a pea pod, which is like a little bed, just like a little bed for the pot for the peas. So what we're going to need is a paper plate. Now you can either paint it green, you can use dot art, you can use a green marker, or even a green crayon. Now, we can also use, what I have here is I rolled up some balls of green Play-Doh, made them into circles, and you can make them into, they should be a little small. You can break this apart and make them smaller. Just roll them around in your hands. See, some of mine, one's a little bigger than the other. It's okay, you can have them whatever size you want. But I'm going to show you what we're going to do with them when we're done. Now, if you don't have green Play-Doh, if you have a piece of green paper, you can cut out circles. And what Carol's going to do is I'm going to fold the paper in half. Then I'm going to fold it in half again. And then in half again. And Mommy and Daddy are going to need to help with this. And I'm going to cut out some circles. Just in case you don't have green Play-Doh. And sometimes it's fun to do a project, but in a different way. And doing it this way just gives you another way of making this project. So I have a couple of peas. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made 8 circles out of that piece of paper. Okay, now I think I'm going to dot art my pod. I'm going to bring you down here so you can watch. Okay? Remember, dot art, up and down, up and down. Look, almost look like little peas. Doesn't it? Almost look like little peas in the pea pod. So we're just going to dot it all around, dot the whole thing. Inside and outside. Inside the circle. And I'm going. Look at that. Color this one. Now, if you, like I said, you can also paint. And I'm also going to go all around the outside. We did the inside. Now I'm going to go around the outside. So, what shape is this plate? Right, it's a circle. So, we're going to go all around the outside of the plate. There we go. I'm going on the side, and this is the sides, the side of the plate. Now, it depends on what kind of plate you have at home. This one happens, you can get plates that are a little flatter than this. This isn't that kind of plate, at least it's a paper plate. So let's put this back together. Now, see, that's the inside of the plate. That's the outside of the plate. We're going to fold the plate in half. And we're going to, don't fold it all the way together like this. We want it to stay open a little bit because we're going to be putting our peas inside. So with either a staple or tape, we have to do something to the sides to keep them that way. I have to have a stapler. So I'm going to do 2 of them. And then I'm going to staple this side so it stays together. And make sure we want it to be open a little bit so we can stick our peas in it. Now, if you want to have a lot of fun, now peas are just plain. They're not, they don't have any funny faces on them. But I was thinking, wouldn't it be really cute if we poked an eye, made another eye over here, and there's a little face. We can make our peas look like they're really cute. So here's 1 pea I'm putting in my pod. I think I'll do the same thing to this one. Put a little eye, put a little eye. Give him a little smiley face. Here's a happy face. I'm going to put number 2 in my pod. Let's see this one. Here he is. I'm going to give him just a hello face. Put him in. And we don't have to put any on this one. We can put him in just the way he is. But you know what? I lost count. I wonder how many we have in there. Let's see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 peas in the pod. Now you can have fun. Here's 2 more. 4, 5, 6. So I put 6 peas in this pod. And what happens is they grow inside. And when it's time to pick them, the farmers open them up and take the peas out so we can eat them. Okay. Now, like I said, if you don't have Play-Doh, you can pretend that these are peas. You can write numbers on them if you want. Write number 1 and put number 1 inside your pea pod. And you can write the number 2 and put the number 2 inside the pea pod. And you can just keep going. Like I said, we have 8 of these. Number 3. And you can keep going with them. And then you can also pretend and have some fun. And we can take these out and say, okay, I took out the number 3. Mommy, what number are you going to take out? Let Mommy or Daddy, I should say. And hit it up. What number is this? Number 1. Good job. And what's the last number? Number 2. Good job. So if we have 6, let me move them back here, sorry. If we have 6 peas and I take 2 away, how many peas do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I add another one, I have 5. So you can have fun with this project and learn how to add and subtract when you put your peas into the pod. Okay? Have fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. It was really, it's a lot of fun. Okay? I'll talk to you soon. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.